We all love the furniture from IKEA, until we get home and have to put it together. But if the struggle to assemble your couch was hard, you'll be shocked to hear what IKEA has been doing to the environment for decades. Who knew that IKEA was greenwashing, claiming to protect the environment while continuing a practice that harms it? It seems like every company out there is trying to convince you that they care about the environment. But what if I told you it was all just a big show? Welcome back to Planet Proof. This channel is dedicated to researching and evaluating businesses, brands, and products. If you're new to our channel, we encourage you to subscribe to the channel to show your support and help us propagate crucial public awareness. IKEA is known for its cheap prices and stylish design. Its low prices are in part due to the fact that IKEA sources its materials as cheaply as possible, and sometimes that means using illegal wood. After an 18-month study, Earthsite discovered that IKEA sells beach chairs manufactured from wood illegally cut in the forests of the Ukrainian Carpathians. And guess what? These forests are home to endangered lynx and bears. This illegal wood has been utilized in the production of a variety of well-known goods, including the classic folding slatted terrier chair and the best-selling Ingolf dining chair. This is eye-opening to hear that every year, tens of thousands of chairs constructed from unauthorized wood are sold in IKEA shops throughout the world, notably in the United States, the United Kingdom, and Germany. But the real kicker is that IKEA has been advertising its products as coming from sustainable, responsibly sourced forests. In fact, it had been certified by the Forest Stewardship Council. FSC certification is a sign that a particular forest is managed responsibly. If a company uses wood from an FSC-certified forest to manufacture their products, they receive an FSC certificate. You will often see this symbol on wood or wood-based products like furniture or paper. IKEA uses the logo in their catalogs and on the packaging of many of their products. The FSC logo guarantees that the wood has come from a responsibly managed forest where wildlife habitats are protected. So, IKEA has come under fire over allegations that it purchased illegally logged timber from a national park in Ukraine. The type of greenwashing IKEA was engaging in was claiming that some products were made from sustainable timber even when no evidence existed to support this claim. This kind of spin misleads consumers into thinking they're buying more ethical goods than they actually are. It's illegal in Sweden under competition law, but not yet illegal in most other countries, despite the fact it's very damaging for the environment and contributes to climate change by misinforming consumers about which goods have lower greenhouse gas emissions associated with them. IKEA's wood usage has risen in the previous decade, fueled by a relentless ambition for success. Every year, it must chop an additional 1.8 to 2.5 million trees than the previous year to achieve this much development. That's crazy, right? FSC, on the other hand, has been a miserable failure. Many of the logs were FSC certified on which bribes were paid during the Yanukovych regime, including the unlawful wood used in IKEA's beach chairs. Whistleblowers from the Ukrainian timber industry informed Earthsite how friendly FSC's auditors were with their crooked employees, and how simple it was to trick them. So, what can be done now? IKEA has one of the greatest environmental reputations of any major furniture company. The FSC certification is by far the best of its type. They must, however, perform better as world leaders. IKEA should reform its business strategy, charge more for its items, and stop growing at all costs to be the genuinely responsible citizen it pretends to be. FSC has to fix its systemic faults and update its ideology to be appropriate for the 21st century. If it doesn't, IKEA must be prepared to discard it. Meanwhile, it must work quickly to put stronger mechanisms in place and utilize them to clean up its supply chains from Ukraine and worldwide. Well, that is all for today's video. We would love to hear from you. What do you think of this IKEA greenwashing scandal? Will you condemn the usage of illegal wood by IKEA? Please tell us in the comments section. If you enjoyed this video, hit like and share this video with your friends to help spread awareness. Also, consider subscribing to our channel for more interesting videos every week. Until the next video, we wish you the best of health.